my 2006 CLS 500 V8. This is the interior, all custom. Steering wheel. It's also got paddle shifters back here. Let me see. Right here. Each side. Put a doubled in head unit, the Apple CarPlay. Headliner's custom. I mean, everything. Even this. The visors. And the dashboard too. And the seats. I don't know if you can see that well. Oh, there we go. Just gotta. Yeah. Not bad. Okay. It's also lowered on adjustable coilovers. All around. Yeah, this shit way too clean, bro. I'm gonna put some clips of me revving it or just driving it down the canyons so you guys can hear it. I do think it's fully straight piped. It's cats, so not fully straight piped, but I think secondary cats removed, mufflers and resonators were all removed. It's got carbon duck lip. This was a carbon lip, but then the previous owner just stacked them up together. Because you can see there's like some glue right there and right there. But I think it's too much, it's kind of riced out, so I might just take off the duck lip and I just keep the carbon lip underneath. Yeah, even up here. And this is what it looks with all the windows up. It's got 5% all around, so it's, yeah, it's pretty dark. It's like a rocket ship. It's flying down the streets. Alright, I mean going the speed limit. Even the sunroof is tinted from the inside. 5% as well. And then I'm gonna get the windshield tinted. I bought the pre-roll kit, so I just gotta install it. Yeah, it's dark as hell. It's got drilled and slotted rotors. And the brake pads are still good on it, I checked. So. Yeah, you can tell it's tinted, the sunroof. It's too dark. Looks good though. Interior. Dashboard. Seats. I like the steering wheel. But I want to get the light up ones where it tells you when to shift. Those ones are nice. Okay. Door panels. Bro, these doors are so heavy. Then it's wrapped gray. Like frozen grill. I don't like how these are blacked out. Might get some OEM ones. And the rims in their 20s. Deep dish or semi deep dish. And the view, look at the view, god damn. And then the other view. Oh yeah. Bro, this is so nice. God. Alright. I get a little sound clip. Cruise control, and then it'll be a little bit more quiet. Windows up. Yeah, this shit is nice as hell, bro. Wait, where are we going? Oh shit, alright, catch you later. We are back. Think we'll make it? Squeeze Benz? Squeeze Benz! Oh shit, we in the canyon, boys. Alright, let's not go off this fucking ledge. Oh shit. I'm on ball tires. No, I'm not. Yeah, I am. Oh shit. Bro, this is scary as fuck.
Bro, what the hell?
I gotta chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out. Chill out a little bit before my car explodes. And I have no doubt it will. Bro, look at this fucking view, dog. Holy shit, oh my god. Oh shit. Okay. Oh, 15 miles an hour? Why do we go 100?
Bruh.
No. I'm playing. Shit, what the fuck? Bro, this is not a Lamborghini, bro. I do not got the handling capabilities. Oh shit. Fuck. Okay. We're good. Alright. Sounds pretty good. Nah, it sounds obnoxious, bro. No, it doesn't. Yeah, it does. I don't know. Who cares? Bro, I swear if I get pulled over, nobody gets pulled over here except me. Bro, I don't want to die and go over this fucking thing. No, we're not going to do that. Alright, we're good. Alright, we just gotta chill out. Chill out. I got a family to go back to, bro. No, I don't. Yeah, I do. Oh shit, alright, we gotta chill out, Loki. Look, we gotta chill out, alright. Put it back in drive. You see, it's quiet. When you don't step on it, it's good. Pretty good. Uh-oh. Paw Patrol behind us? No, they're not. Are they? No. All right, downshift to second, kind of risky. No, it's not. Is that a stop sign for us? No, probably not. It's kind of fun. Kind of fun.